Google Chrome says goodbye to green secure bar on HTTPS sites. We all know very well that the tech giant Google has been pushing for the adoption of security measures on the websites and its browser, Chrome, forcing the use of mechanisms that ensure the safety of users. The most basic of these measures is the use of the HTTPS protocol. However, now according to the latest reports, the tech giant Google's Chrome browser says goodbye to the green secure bar on HTTPS sites. The tech giant Google has been pushing for the adoption of security measures on the websites and its browser, Chrome, forcing the use of mechanisms that ensure the safety of users. The most basic of these measures is the use of the HTTPS protocol. To make Chrome users aware of whether or not the sites they visit are safe, they have implemented very effective visual measures. Now that this is already a common practice, it has decided to drop some of these notifications. It was earlier this year that the tech giant Google changed Chrome to start telling users that they were visiting unsafe sites whenever they browsed pages without the HTTPS protocol implemented. As expected, this move has led to the adoption of HTTPS on sites becoming standard, thus moving faster to a safer internet and further protecting the communication of user data. The end of Chrome notifications on HTTPS sites. Now that this is already a pattern, and that fewer and fewer sites exist without HTTPS, the tech giant Google will once again change the notifications in Chrome, failing to display the secure, green site information. The padlock will only be present to indicate the presence of this security. According to Google information, it will be with version 69 of Chrome that this change will be applied, and it is expected that this version will be released in September of this year. Reinforcing information from Google's browser on non-secure sites, but Google's changes are not going to stick around. Also, in navigation on sites without security protocol implemented, there will be visual changes for users. The red notification we are used to seeing will be changed and will disappear, leaving only the not secure notification. This change will hit Google's browser later in the year, probably in October, when Chrome's version 70 is made public. With the internet becoming more secure with greater awareness of users for this need, Google adapts its browser and minimizes unnecessary information. The awareness is made and it is time to recover useful space in the browser. So, what do you think about this? Simply share all your views and thoughts in the comment section below.